Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Oreo ice cream using an easy method. This recipe is incredibly simple and requires no special equipment, like an ice cream maker. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can prepare a delightful frozen treat. Just gather a few common ingredients, mix them together, and let your freezer do the rest of the work. Get ready to enjoy a creamy, homemade dessert that everyone will love. To begin, you will need just a few key items. First, grab 2 cups of cold heavy cream. Next, have 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk ready. For the star of the show, prepare about 15 Oreo cookies, which you will crush into delightful pieces. Finally, a small dash of vanilla extract will elevate all the flavors, bringing a wonderful aroma to your ice cream. Now, let's combine our ingredients to create the creamy base. In a large, chilled bowl, whip the 2 cups of heavy cream until it forms beautiful, stiff peaks. Then, gently fold in the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, being careful to maintain the airiness. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, carefully incorporate your crushed Oreo cookies, distributing them evenly throughout the mixture. Once your mixture is perfectly combined, it's time for the final step, freezing. Pour the entire creamy concoction into a freezer-safe container. Make sure to cover it tightly with a lid or plastic wrap to prevent any ice crystals from forming on top. Place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours, though overnight is even better for optimal firmness. Then, simply scoop and savor your homemade, no-churn Oreo ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.